Hello, I'm Ross, and I'm going to show you how you can use the Navigator API to create a share or copy component with Svelte. The Navigator API provides a couple methods to make it easier to share a website depending on the user's browser or operating system. For example, in Safari, when the user selects the Share button that uses the Navigator API, they would get a list of applications where they can easily use to share the link. So how can we set this up with Svelte? We can create a new component that takes in a URL and a title, and this will become our share data in our share function. And then we can share that share data with the Navigator API. So I'll copy that in here, and we'll import our component, and we'll test it out. And you'll notice it's not working because Navigator.share is not a function in Chrome. This API is not supported in Chrome. It's only supported in Safari on Mac OS. So we need to handle this use case as well. So we can fall back to writing the text to the clipboard instead of using the share API when it's not available. So we can use our copy method. The Navigator API also provides a .clipboard.writeText method, and we can use this to copy the URL instead. So we're going to check if there's the Navigator can share method available, and if it can share our share data, and if it can, we're going to share that data. If not, we're going to copy the text to the clipboard, set our state of complete to true, and then we'll set it back after half a second just to notify our user that they've copied that text to the clipboard, and our state will update the text inside the button. So we'll copy that in, and we can see that in action. Now you can see we've copied the text, and we've copied our link here. Tested in some different environments, you can see the API in action. It looks a little different. If you're on Windows, it's supported on Windows and the Edge browser, also on iPhone and Safari. So test it out and see if the Share API is something that would be useful to you in your application. Thanks for watching.